My name is CeCe from CeCe ReStyled, and I'm a furniture artist. I think people like that I'm relatable, and I'm a real person, I'm a human being, and they can relate with that.
We will start. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Thursday. Boy, it's a great day, if I do say so myself. It's just turning out fabulous. I hope everyone's having a good day.
I make a lot of mistakes. I think people like that. So I'm just gonna mist, okay? Maybe. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, so right there, lesson is every time you use spray adhesive, make sure you wipe the nozzle off after every use, or else it'll get stuck and it'll do that. So now everything is sticky. Artists, they're brave, fearless. You can't worry about what people are going to think, or if they're going to like it, or if you're going to mess up. Messing up is part of it. So if you're going on oh my god, a spider. Oh god, it's a huge spider. I'm deathly scared of spiders. Okay, sorry. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. I'm deathly scared of spiders, and that was the biggest spider I think I've ever seen. So now that I'm creeped out, we're gonna go ahead and start using our Shiva sticks and make sure. You gotta be brave enough to try. Have no fear. It's just paint. Core wax from Redesign with Prima in the color Eternal. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on the tops of the details because I love metallic. You can't spell metallic without me. Yeah? No? Okay. So I'm just gonna put